Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana continues to consolidate below resistance in a very corrective fashion. So another low remains my main focus. The main idea that I have at the moment. We are most likely in this sell-off in an ABC structure. A wave down, B wave up. And the C wave is currently unfolding. We have various targets here that we can look at if Solana makes another low. I assume that Solana will make another low as long as the $21.60 level is not broken to the upside. This is resistance, Fibonacci resistance currently for the B wave. We're going to talk about that in a minute. The overall breakout level for me is $22.20. So if price breaks above that level, I would really assume a low is in and then would look for for a bullish scenario. At the moment, of course, it can always go up, but I just don't see the likelihood at the moment in the structure at the moment. The idea is that we are moving down in this C wave here at the moment, of a larger B wave. I should really change the wave degree a little bit here. Let's see. That's the larger B wave and could then rally in wave C of 3 later. So that means Solana has entered a relevant support area where it can turn around at any time. After this rally, which occurred on the 13th, 14th of July, we have several targets to the downside now. And remember that we said that the small rally that we've seen here over the last few days was likely just the B wave within a wave 5. So in a C wave, we have 5 waves. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. The wave 5 is an ABC structure. A wave, B wave, C wave. So the main question really comes up, as long as we are $21.60, the main question I think that we have is this B wave already finished or not? Yesterday, I know a few people were concerned about this small, you could call it pump. A few people called it pump. Well, look, it's not much. It's just some intraday volatility. I know these days we all get very happy when we see something because it is so boring. But as long as price is below $21.60, I continue to count this as a B wave. The B wave high was never taken out, but the way it's going, so if we see another lower high and another higher low, then we probably deal with a triangle pattern here. That basically the B wave is unfolding as a triangle. So for example, we can add a bit of a trend line here. Not so well defined down here, but it is some kind of a triangle. You have possibly 3 touch points, So maybe even a triangle in a triangle. I did add these lines before. They are not respected. Well, they were. And then it seems like price broke to the downside and retested them from below, which is just in line with our main observations and idea that another low should happen. So what I'm watching for is potential that here over the next few days, maybe we're just tracking sideways. It needs really a sustained break here below the $20 level, those previous swing lows to push downside. And we have the next fib support at $19.50. Solana reacted to that on last Tuesday actually. But the idea is to make one more low in the region between $19 and $17.90. In the last video we looked at it and said, look, there are 2 projections we can look at as a potential target for this 5th wave, in that we can take the length of the A wave and we go to the high of the B wave. And this is the $19 level is one of them. And then $17.90. There's an overlap with another Fibonacci level, $17.80 and $17.90. So these are 2 levels to watch. So at the moment, it really depends if price can now push here lower. I mean, as I said, it can do anything at once really in this zone here. For example, it could just develop a triangle. A B wave can be a triangle. For example, the labeling would be A, B, C, D, E, and then the B wave would sit actually here. So a B wave triangle with 5 waves, and then the breakdown. So it could get one more lower high. Then another way of looking at it is that this B wave here is going to be a larger B wave. That this here was just the A wave of the B wave. This here was the B wave of the B wave, and it's now moving up in a larger C wave. Basically a so-called flat pattern where we had an overshooting B wave to the downside. Just to show you, a B wave here in orange is a 3-wave move. A, B, C. So hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, that is really what I can highlight here on this chart. Obviously just tracking sideways, not very interesting. We always try to keep it interesting, but the projection still points towards the downside. $21.60 and $22.20 are the relevant breakout points to the upside. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.